Hi friends, today in this video we'll just check about the table elements. In previous videos we have seen about the select data list and text area, right? So today in this video we'll just go through the table element. So what is table element? Generally we are able to see some tables or a kind of data which is well structured in the UI, I mean user interface or any web browser, right? So in the same manner, we need to achieve the same thing using the table. Table element helps to represent the data using rows and columns in two-dimensional way, right? We are able to see the rows and columns so that it can be arranged in a sequential or and well-structured manner. For that, table is used. Table tag is used to create the table in HTML. Okay. Now let's see the same thing using our VS Code. Okay, we'll implement that. I'm just closing the previous values. Okay, let me close everything. Yeah. Here I'll try to create table.html, right? Yeah. Okay. Now even I'm just closing. I'm writing a boiler code. So here I'm just aligning the text with the screen size. Let's open the uh, table.html here. Let me reload the page, and yeah, here it is. So I'm just writing with this table, so it will be rendered here. Yeah, the basic syntax of table will be, we need to define the table here. Yeah, once after that we have the t head, I mean table head, and inside the table head we'll write some table rows, and then the table inside the table row we have the th, I mean table head tr stands for the element table cell row, and th stands for the header cells. Okay, yeah, you can see here the th element represents the header cell in the table. Let me show what happens there. Let's explore that. And just here I'm showing the syntax of that. And t body, next table body. Inside the table body we have the table row, and inside the table row we have the td. In header part we have th, and in body part we have the td. D represents the data cell. Okay, yeah, this is the basic structure of the table. Okay, and what next we'll just create a sample table here. Let me show how does it happens. Just class. Okay, I'm just adding the class, and similarly duration. Okay, yeah, duration, we have both class and duration here. And inside td let's write java. Okay, and we have some multiple two rows, like one is for 1 hour. And similarly after that, if I change the row here, tr, inside tr we have td, right? I'm just creating two tds. For one is for java css, and another for is duration is 2 hours. See, we are able to see that this is in alignment, like we are able to see exactly in the tabular format. If we give some attributes, some stylings to this, like border is equal to 1, then we are able to see the table structure here. Are you able to understand? I think you are able to understand how the table structure goes here. Uh, what we have written inside the th, I mean table header part, will be in the heading part of the table. And similarly, if we create two rows here, the inside the two rows in the header part, the similar two dimensionals should be written. Yeah, this the I think you are able to see what's happening here. We have written two columns, one is class and another row, right? So yeah, this is the structure of table, right? I think you are able to understand what's happening here. Let's explore more on tables. Okay, we have different attributes here, like call span and row span. Let me create some more things, like just I'm adding a couple of things here. Okay, yeah, you can see we have added these two things, and even I'm just duplicating these things. I'm just making use of the same code here, but here we have these three columns, right? Same similar thing, duration, duration, duration. So I need to merge those columns. For that I need to write call span. Okay, let's write here as call span as 3, and after that I'm just removing this one. See, I'm commenting it out. Now you are able to see. Okay, call span, we are able to the duration is occupying the three columns. Similarly, if you want to occupy two rows, we have the attribute called row span of 2. Then we are able to see it is occupying the two rows. I'm just removing this one so it will be better to understand. So call span will be occupying in a horizontal manner, and row span will be occupying in vertical manner, right? I think you are able to understand these things. Okay, what next we have? Okay, here we'll try to create a form with the different input tags, and then we'll apply this table to that form, and how we'll check how that like impact on our tables. Uh, let's see how that impact on our form, right? Let me create new form, I mean table form. Okay, yeah, here we go, we have table form. I'm just importing the boiler code. Next I'm just removing this as table form. Let me finish this, or else you can watch and just uh, fast forwarding the video. Okay, Yeah, now we are able to see the form like here you can see the inter form has been completed. I have written the code for this. I'm just resizing the page so that you are able to see the page in good manner. See, while resizing I'm able to fit the form in correct manner because I'm using this content with device with initial scale is equal to 0.1. So for that reason we are able to align the items in good manner. So here I'm setting the image resolution as 200, I mean 200% for the browser requirement, and then we're able to see the unstructured format of this registration form. Right now we'll try to apply the table for this, so that how this structure will be rearranged. I'll give an assignment to you, like try to apply the table structure for this content. I will not provide the code because you need to try yourself. So if you are unable to solve, let me tell that uh, let me apply the table style for the next video, and you can see the output in next video. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.